Hello everyone, today in this video, we will learn the difference between nominal and real interest rate, how it impacts the investors, how do we calculate the real and nominal interest rates, what happens when real interest rates increase and other topics. The nominal interest rate is the rate that is advertised by banks, debt issuers, and investment firms for loans and various investments. It is the stated interest rate paid or earned to the lender or by investor. Nominal interest rate equals real interest rate plus projected rate of inflation. A real interest rate is the interest rate that is added to the projected rate of inflation to provide the nominal interest rate. Put simply, this interest rate provides insight into the actual return received by a lender or investor after a rate of inflation is acknowledged. Real interest rate equals nominal interest rate minus projected rate of inflation. Next, we shall see how it impacts the investors. Investors must be mindful of nominal and real interest rates, as the yield they earn on their investment may be substantially different on which one they earn. Consider a simple example where an investor is earning a 3% nominal rate during a period of 5% inflation. Though the investor can claim they are generating a positive return, which they technically are, the amount they are earning is less than the prevailing increase in cost. So, it brings us to the question, how do we calculate the real and nominal interest rates? In order to calculate the real interest rate, you must know both the nominal interest and inflation rates. The formula for the real interest rate is the nominal interest rate minus the inflation rate. To calculate the nominal rate, add the real interest rate and the inflation rate. Then, what happens when real interest rates increase? Higher real interest rates can increase borrowing costs. This can cause people to curb spending and borrowing. This, in turn, can slow economic activity. Of course, higher real interest rates can also improve the returns people may earn on their investments. Next, are nominal interest rates higher than real interest rates? Nominal interest rates are usually higher than real interest rates. That's because nominal rates are determined by taking real interest rates and adding a projected rate of inflation to them. So, unless inflation is 0%, the nominal rate would be higher. For the bottom line, it's useful to understand the difference between nominal and real interest rates, because they can inform consumers about their purchasing power and true costs of borrowing. For example, nominal interest rates indicate what we'd be charged for a loan, but the real interest rate can help us decide whether or not the loan is too costly for our budgets. As far as purchasing power goes, a real interest rate that's positive is always good, unless the inflation rate is greater. The inflation rate reduces what we earn with the real interest rate. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.